Galing na kami ng casino.
Pinanalo na dahil yung
Pauwi na kami. Nanggagaling na kami ng casino. Yan na din yung punto kasi. Nanggagaling na po kami ng casino. May natalo po. May nananalo.
Ay, pusan.
So,
ang kalikitahan na.
Ano? Apa yan? Lukot mo tabintanang ti.
Urje balay ta nakahitad dahil lukat ko itawag kwarto sir raja kwarto ko ni lukat ko itawag. So yung ubing na kuso.
pauwi na kami.
Wala isang magbudutan.
Ano po sa dilim. Kaya galing na po kami ng Jackson. Kasi
Nag-walking ulit.
Napunta.
The destination is on your right.
Nagtrabaho kami sa Awan di ko era mo.
Wala na.
Umalisan.
The destination is on your right.
Rabiin.
Okay. Good night, ate.
Thank you.
good night po.
I open the door.
Oh, you already push the button and sit down and push the button.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank
Good
you.
night.
You're welcome.
Good night.
Take care.
Close the door.
Let me go in first. Just bear. Manong Ramon went home already.
Pinapilapit siya.
She went to feed the dog.
Oh, the thing there.
She went there in our house.
Oh,
Manong Ramon.
why?
She feed the dog. She bring some food
I was fed the dogs.
before we leave.
They had to eat 3/4 of a bowl.
When?
Yeah, every day between the two of them, one bowl.
Don't give them the the can.
I give them simple I think it was yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday, but not today. Don't give them.
I forgot.
Jackson na po kami ng
Sa may
aming
kaya
kasama.
nilagay ko tipura yung yung ano ko, yung ano ba yan?
Mani?
Hindi yung cord ko dito. Nakalimutan ko tinanong ah.
They will put it on
Yung
there.
ano mo, yung siopaw?
Yung cord. Cord
Oh,
ko
yung
ba?
cord?
Oh.
Baka dinala niya.
Ay, nadala niya siguro. Wala. Nadala niya.
Baka nadala niya.
Nadala niya yung cord ko.
Wala dito. Tawagan mo na lang bukas. O tawagan mo na lang. Baka nakalimutan niya. Baka...
Akala niya sa kanya. Hold on. I will ask Cora. I will call her. Hold on.
What?
My cord. Telephone cord.
Did she take
Baka na ano niya na
Hold on.
wala dyan eh. Oh, dito. Sandali lang.
Oh, wait. Hold on.
Mag ano ako ng ano.
Yan, dala.
Di, nandyan, mayroon akong nakita.
Meron?
Ayan
And then, I
Teka, mag ano ako.
You found it?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh,
Okay.
Sige, Bill.
already.
Like, hold on, I'm gonna put my seat belt on.
The one on the
Yes,
left,
I-
it won't unlock.
Ha?
It won't unlock if I don't put it in park.
Yeah.
I have to put it on the brake.
Hold on. I'm gonna put my seat belt on. Okay, I'm done. Putting my seat belt. You just leave it in the floor. Mabuti na, alala mo pa nandito pa tayo, nahanap din. So, yan po, pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami. Hinatid na po namin yung aming kasama. Pauwi na kami sa aming hotel. Galing na po kami ng casino. Tapos Silent Wilbur, show up the blues. Kaibigan matindi, may kamigalap siya daw. Sa akin pong mga members sa Brachada na business sponsor na si Jessica Marie, may kalap siya daw. From casino to home. Ayan.
Ay, yan na. Ate Cora. Ay, then, hinahanap ko yung cord. Akala ko ano, nahanap na namin. Thank you, thank you. Oh, the toy. Oh. Okay. Okay, good night. Okay, bye.
Uwi na po kami. Galing kami ng casino. Mayroon pong nanalo. Mayroon pong natalo.
40
Kaya malungkot ang natalo. Masaya ang nanalo.
I come over here on the corner. On the third night.
We're driving home now.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you po
Last
sa
time I
mga
drove
nanood sa
last
ating
week.
live kanina. Papunta kami na casino kasi ngayon lang ako nakakuha ng 1,000K 1K na views sa aking live. Mga silent viewers ko na umabot ng 60. Wow, ganda ng aking views. 1 hour and 22 minutes.
Ay, green light.
So, driving
Oh,
home.
that's wrong.
Na po kami. Driving home. Na po kami. Galing na po kami ng casino. Thank you for watching. Shout out po sa lahat. Sa aking mga silent viewers. Mga vlog news. Kaibigan matindi. Kailangan shout out. Mahal na mahal po kayo. Kung wala po kayo at wala din tayo. Thank you so much.
Three, two, one. I gambled in that deal. I took out to the stop.
Nagaling na po kami ng
That was real with her. At
casino.
35, you get all the way from one end of San Mateo to the other without having to stop because they're all lined up green.
And freeway.